Prime Minister Narendra Modi's aura is loved by many. It is evident as people queued up on both sides of the road in Shillong to see Modi's cavalcade pass through ahead of assembly polls in Meghalaya. While addressing the election rally, Modi came down heavily on Congress for their remarks. He fiercely said that instead of this, the country is saying,
लेकिन देश कह रहा है, हिंदुस्तान की आवाज कह रही है, हिंदुस्तान का हर कोना कह रहा है, मोदी तेरा कमल खिलेगा.
The comment by Congress was made after Congress party leader Cavalcade was stopped from boarding a flight. Modi added that the people of Meghalaya and the entire country will give a befitting reply to those having offensive thinking and language. He further added that the BJP's lotus flower symbol has become synonymous with the strength, peace and stability of the state. Prime Minister Modi said,
When I think of Meghalaya, I think of the talented people. I think of the vibrant traditions. I also think of the amazing natural beauty.
During the rally, he also said that the selfish act of a few families caused harm to the people of Meghalaya as their interests were not paid heed and they were divided on small issues. He added that Congress and other similar parties looted the people of northeastern states and treated them as ATMs. On the other hand, BJP thinks of them as the growth engine of the country's development. Modi vowed to repay the love he has got during the rally by bringing development to the state. He also said that a G20 meeting will be held soon in Meghalaya and people from developed nations will be called. This in turn will boost the state's image.